Hi guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we have created a Google Search Console report for my own website data. Let's say I want to embed this report in my website. So what will I do is, I will click on the icon just next to the share button and click on embed report. There are two options, embed code and embed URL. Just go to embed code. You might want to change the width and height, but I'll just let it be. I'll just copy to clipboard. Now I go to my to my website admin portal and I click on add new post. Let's give it a title, my first GDS report embedded. In your WordPress, you have to click a custom HTML block. So when you click a custom HTML block, it gives you an option to write an HTML or and then preview it. In the right HTML, just place the block of code that you have copied from the Google Data Studio and click on preview. Within seconds, the entire report that you have created in Google Data Studio will be available for you right here. And it is not just a snapshot or an image. It is a live report that you have just added. If you want to preview it, how exactly it would look to the user, you can just click on generate preview, and this is my website and this is my post, my first GDS report embedded, and here you go. You have the entire report ready here, and you can filter it how you would do in a regular scenario in a Google Data Studio. Actually, all the interactions, all the filtering, all the marking, everything will work exactly how it would in a Google Data Studio, right? You might want to just go to Google Data Studio separately via this link, and you can easily do that by clicking on this icon of Google Data Studio. You might also want to view the Google Data Studio report in a full screen view, so you can just click this icon and it will take you to a better and a bigger view. So that was all about embedding your Data Studio reports in your website. Go ahead, create some reports, embed in your websites, and share it with the wider world. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video and welcome to my channel. This video was a part of the complete course on Google Data Studio, the link for which is in the description. Do not forget to check it out and enroll today.